The future of money. Will crypto replace cash? World around me. Arsl. The financial world is rapidly changing, and cryptocurrency is at the center of this revolution. As digital payments increase, people are wondering, will crypto completely replace cash? While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins offer many advantages, they also face serious challenges. Governments, businesses, and even religious scholars have different perspectives on whether this digital revolution is a blessing or a risk. Benefits of cryptocurrency. 1. Decentralization and financial freedom. Unlike cash, which is controlled by central banks, crypto is decentralized, giving people control over their own money. 2. Faster and cheaper transactions. Cross-border payments are faster and cheaper than traditional banking methods. 3. Security and transparency. Blockchain technology makes transactions secure, tamper-proof, and transparent. 4. Protection against inflation. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a fixed supply, unlike cash, which loses value due to inflation. 5. Financial inclusion. Millions of people without bank accounts can use crypto with just a smartphone and internet connection. Disadvantages and challenges. 1. Volatility. Prices of cryptocurrencies fluctuate wildly, making them unreliable for daily transactions. 2. Regulatory issues. Many governments are undecided or skeptical about crypto, fearing tax evasion, fraud, and crime. 3. No consumer protection. If you lose access to your crypto wallet, your funds are gone forever, unlike bank accounts that offer recovery options. 4. Energy consumption. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, require massive energy for mining, raising environmental concerns. 5. Limited acceptance. While adoption is growing, many businesses and countries still don't accept crypto as legal payment. Religious perspectives on cryptocurrency. Islamic view. Islamic finance follows strict principles like prohibition of uncertainty and interest. Some scholars argue that crypto is speculative and highly volatile, making it haram. Others believe that as long as it is used ethically and avoids fraudulent practices, it may be halal. Christianity's view. Christianity does not have strict financial laws, but some religious leaders warn that crypto could be used for illegal activities. Others see it as a tool for economic empowerment, especially in poor regions where banking services are limited. Hinduism's perspective. Hinduism does not directly address modern financial systems, but principles like Dharma and Ahimsa suggest that cryptocurrency should be used responsibly. If it promotes economic fairness, some Hindu scholars see no issue with it. Judaism's view. Jewish law allows crypto as long as it follows ethical business practices. However, because of the uncertainty and speculative nature of many cryptocurrencies, some Jewish scholars advise caution. Reality. Will crypto replace cash? While cryptocurrency offers many benefits, cash is still deeply rooted in global economies. Central bank digital currencies are emerging as a compromise. Governments are creating their own digital currencies to balance innovation with regulation. Crypto is unlikely to replace cash completely, but it will coexist alongside traditional money, with increasing adoption in different sectors. The future of money is digital, but whether that's fully decentralized crypto or government-controlled digital cash remains uncertain. What do you think? Will crypto take over, or will cash always have a place in our world?